Today's recipe is inspired by Japanese Ochazuke. It's light, comforting, full of natural flavors without needing much seasoning. This is one of my go-to meals when I want something warm, nourishing, and effortless to prepare. So let's get started. First, let's remove the skin. I'm going to make a gentle slit here. Careful not to cut all the way through. And then just slide the knife across like this. Then season the salmon flesh and skin generously on both sides. I'm going to cook this in the toaster, but you can also pan fry it or place this in the oven. 10 minutes at 180 degrees. You can also crisp up the salmon skin in the oven. For me, it's just easier to use a frying pan. Now once the fish is cooked, mash it up into smaller pieces and set aside. I'll be using Chinese tea, but you can also use Japanese green tea. Just a small amount. Add some boiling water. I usually discard the first batch of water. Then pour in the hot water and let it steep for about 5 minutes. Once the tea is ready, pour the tea into a pot. Add in the cooked rice. Then add chicken stock. The chicken stock I used is already salted, so I didn't season the broth. Then bring the soup to a boil. The sour plum is going to lift up the whole dish. It's tangy, so you get that savoury and subtle tanginess from the soup. While waiting for the soup to boil, let's prep the sour plum. The sour plum is quite sour, so I'm adding 2 first. If you like the soup to be more sour, you can add more. I'm just going to give it a good rinse. Mash it up. Remove the seeds. The soup is now boiling. Add in the sour plums. If the rice is still clumped up, gently break it up. Cook for another 2 minutes. It smells so good. Alright, it's done. This recipe is really easy. Now, once this is done, all you need to do is just assemble the final dish. Place the salmon flesh on top. Add some crispy seaweed, spring onions, and some crispy salmon skin. And there you have it, salmon rice in tea broth, inspired by Japanese Ochazuke. It's light, nourishing, and so comforting. I'll be sharing more recipes like this. Do try this recipe at home. See you in the next one.